This video describes the proper procedure for performing voltage measurements with the Voltage Checker board PCB assembly. The part number for the checker board is FY9-4050-000 and includes 15 harness sets to measure 15 different size connectors. The cable shown here is for a 9-pin connector. To use the cable checker, connect the cables so the black on the cable matches the black on the checker, and the red on the cable matches the red on the check board. With the power off, locate the connector that you will be testing. In this example, it is J18 on the main controller tube. The board checker has a black and red marking at the top and bottom of the checker. The cable with the black side always plugs into the connector on the board. And the cable on the red side always plugs into the wire harness or the cable you just unplugged from the board. Once it's connected up, turn the machine on and you can check any pin.